In this video, we're going to work on graphing decimals and fractions on a number line. So if we have a problem like this that says graph 0.5 and 8/10 or 8 over 10 on the number line, which is closer to 0? So let's take a look at our number line. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, I don't see any fractions here. How am I going to plot the fraction? I see where the 0.5 is. It's right here. But let's first learn about a fact. A fraction with a denominator of 10 or 100 or any other big number like 1,000 or 10,000, but for now let's just look at 10 or 100. So any fraction with a denominator of 10 or 100 can be rewritten as, so for example, 3/10 can be rewritten as 0.3. 5 over 100 can be rewritten as 0.05. So how do you know what to do? So if you count the number of zeros in the denominator, that's how many times you move the decimal over. So for 3 over 10, there's 1 0, so I'm going to move the decimal over 1. So it'll be like this, 1 there. Over here we have two zeros, so I'm going to move the decimal over 1, 2. And then you fill in a 0 for the second spot. So 1, 2. It becomes 0.05. And you can do this with any number in the denominator, like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Okay? So now, next step is to remember this. So 0.1 is basically 1 over 10, 0.2 is basically 2 over 10, 0.3 is basically 3 over 10, 0.4 is basically 4 over 10, and so on, okay? So that's something you would always have to remember as a fact. So now we could easily answer this question. So when we graph 0.5 and 8 over 10, we know that this is 0.5 and then this is 8 over 10. And that's the answer. And if you need another explanation of this, just start the video again and listen to it again.